All right, this is 2019-20 Optic Mega Basketball personal box break for K Blue. I do have a full case here, K Blue, so I'm going to get this opened up. And because there's so many here, rather than take them all out, I'm just going to do it like this. So how about you just tell me what you want, 1 through 10, 11 through 20, and I will grab it so that I don't have to make a mess here. $13, 11, 12, 13. Anybody else wants these? We got them. They're heating up now that they announced the basketball season starting. Basketball stuff's heating up again. All right. Thank you, K Blue. Good luck. We get 1, 2 of these, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs and 2 silver packs. Let's check these out. That's a nice one. Anthony Davis, pink. He started selling a lot recently towards the end of the season here. Willie Cauley-Stein, DeLon Wright, Isaiah Thomas, and the rookie, P.J. Washington Jr., also pretty decent. P.J. Washington Jr. is your rated rookie pink for the Hornets. Will Barton, Derek Favors, Carson Edwards, rated rookie, Carson Edwards, LaMarcus Aldridge, and Bol Bol. Bol Bol on the pink. All right, on to regular packs here. I might have to open one of these myself. Pretty good. I got to see what this stuff's selling for, these singles, but pretty good chance to get some nice rookies for a reasonable price. James Worthy. Ish Smith on the silver prism, and Nasir Little on the rated rookie. Ricky Rubio insert. J. Brad, happy Thanksgiving, sir. James Harden on the insert. Yeah, we just did a finest soccer for Sean S. Now we're doing an Optic Mega for K Blue. Eric Bledsoe on the insert. My House insert. Yochik. And Cam Reddish on the rated rookie. Cam Reddish rookie. Yeah, what you want, J. Brad? What you want? How's that Panini 1-in-1 basketball look? I got a bunch of those. Just came out. Kyrie Irving insert, and Weatherspoon on the rated rookie. LeBron on the insert. That is winner stays. LeBron James insert. Last pack. Luka, My House Silver. That is a silver My House insert of Luka. Yeah, no doubt. Kuzma, silver. And Ty Jerome on the rated rookie. Thank you, K Blue. Let me know if I can get you anything else, sir. Okay. I don't even know how much these are, but they just came out. What do you get? One card, right? Oh no. These are a little different. A little different than the what I was thinking it was. Oh, they're not cheap. $5.75 a box. Okay. These are my favorites for value. Of course, they've gone up a little bit, but I feel like pretty good value for Mosaic Multi-Cello Football. $3.40 a box on these. Chrome Black Baseball just came out. I haven't seen those yet. Which ones? The Panini 1-on-1 basketball or the Mosaic? Yeah, I just gave you prices on both of those. Let me know. I got all kinds of stuff here, K Blue. Whatever you want. Topps Chrome Black just came out, and that's baseball. And those are $2.35. These ones. I had him until 3, J. Brad. He's with Kristen now. What else we got here? Contender Optic basketball. Depends on what price range you want to be in, but I got it all. Like I said, I just reordered and got in some more football. Phoenix, Absolute, Elite. People have been buying up my football, so I was emptied, and I just got a bunch more in.